having talent, they are having ideologies, they are having advices in the policy making of the government for the betterment of our society. And I'm thankful to my Bharat, I'm thankful to the vision of Viksit Bharat, जिन्होंने हम लोगों को ये opportunity दिया कि that students are going to have a proper say in the policy making, in the development of a future India, a betterment where youth are going to have a say and youth are going to lead from the front. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That was such a wonderful insight from your side. Next participant.
Good morning, everyone. I am Ikramul Hussain from Kamrup. For me, Viksit Bharat, the one describing term is transform. In 1947, India got independence, and after 1,000 years, India needs to be independent global power. I think there is four currently most important global power. That's US, then China, and Russia, then our. We need everything that any country can do in the world. For that, APJ Abdul Kalam wrote a books. There was lots of things that APJ Abdul Kalam, Homi Jahangir Bhabha, Vikram Sarabhai, they put lots of effort to God's our superpower, so that we can defend anything.
Can you please quickly wrap?
So that what is transformed.
That is a wonderful answer. It is so exciting to see that all of you have different interpretations, yet very motivating interpretations of the word Viksit Bharat. Who should we take next?
There are so many energetic participants out there.
Yes,
Okay, now next we are. Yeah, we'll get back to you.
We will give everyone a chance.
Yeah, please be seated for now.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Pratyas Prashanta Tamuli, and I am from Assam. मेरे हिसाब से विकसित भारत का मतलब है ह्यूमैनिटेरिज्म. In the word of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, एक ऐसी समाज जहाँ जिस समाज में सोने से भी ज़्यादा इंसानियत की दाम हो. In the word of his, জীয়াই থাকি এখন সমাজ গঢ়িবৰ মোৰ মন আছে য'ত খুনতকৈ মানুহৰ দাম অলপ হ'লেও বেছি আছে. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was such an inspiring one. Next.
We
It's
will
about
give
the
everyone a
volunteers,
chance.
yeah,
Let's have this side first.
There's one brother standing out there.
No, the girl has mic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, start.
Good morning to one and all present over here. My name is Oliza Firdaus Laskar and I am from Assam. So as a young leader, I would say Viksit Bharat to me is all about empowerment, where every citizen, especially the youth, got the opportunities जहाँ पे हर एक young leaders को skills development बोलो या फिर inclusivity जो है उसको मतलब और भी बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा है. So India is a country not only growing economically, but it rises socially, intellectually, I would say in every field. So it is a truly developed country where it does not only focus on making policies, but it also gives us opportunities to each and every young leaders to be a leading or to questions and create changes in our upcoming futures. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We'll pass the mic to the back.
Before that, I would like to request each one of you to please maintain the decorum of the hall. Since your friend is answering the question, let's hear them. Let's not make noise from the background. I would like to request everybody to please maintain the decorum of the hall for some moment.
Hello everyone, my name is Muskan Begum. I am from Assam. विकसित भारत का अर्थ मेरे ध्यान से एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, इसका अर्थ है भारत को हम हेल्थ, एजुकेशन और कई सारे जो परमाणु है उन सब एस्पेक्ट से डेवलप करें. और विकसित भारत का अर्थ ये होना चाहिए, भारत का एक सर्वांगीण विकास होना चाहिए. ये मेरे हद से विकसित विकास का अर्थ है.
धन्यवाद.
Okay, let's give the mic and chance to the people who are sitting towards the end.
Side, to this side as well.
Can you pass the mic to the last rows?
I request volunteers to please check that side. Yeah.
Hello. Good morning to everyone present here today. So for me, Viksit Bharat, while being defined with one word, is hope. It is bringing hope towards the youth of this country, towards the people living within this country. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Towards the end, please. Towards the end.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sean Michael Malpanyang. I'm from Shillong itself. And the one word that Viksit Bharat, I can define it as is called diversity. All of us over here, we come from different cultures, different ethnicities. And My Bharat has given us a platform to interact with each other and to be here with each other. So that's one word for me, diversity. And even when it comes to the budget session, what do we need? Diverse, because people from different cultures have different ways of living. So that's why. That's the one word I will define my Bharat with, diversity. Thank
you so much. That's the unity in diversity we see yesterday and today.
Pass the mic towards the back.
Hello. Namaskar, Jayakham. I am Arnav from Assam, Guwahati. And for me, the Viksit Bharat is, I just describe it like the poetic line. तो लाइन ऐसा है कि अपना देश हम खुद बनाएंगे, देश का आवाज़ हम खुद बनेंगे. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you.
धन्यवाद. हम देश के युवा हैं, देश हम बनाएंगे जरूर.
Namaste.
Can you pass another mic?
Is there another mic? I request another volunteer, please.
Hello. Namaste, Jai Hind. For me, Viksit Bharat is resilience. Because not we are here only for the growth. We are here for the development with our cultural roots. क्योंकि भारत को चाइना या जापान जैसा विकसित नहीं बनना. हमें विकसित भारत हमारे कल्चर के साथ बनना है. आज हम विकसित भारत तभी बनेंगे जब हम अपने कल्चर, जब हम अपने रूट्स को फॉलो करेंगे. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thank you so much. Next, please. Towards that end.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम ज्ञान ज्योतिनाथ है और मैं असम के कामरूप ज़िले से हूँ. अगर विकसित भारत 2047 को मुझे एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब करना है तो वो होगा विकास. विकास मीन्स हमारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को डेवलपमेंट करके नहीं, बल्कि हमारे युवाओं को माइंडसेट को पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में डाइवर्ट करना. हमारे युवा जो है वो सिर्फ क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले नहीं, बल्कि उनका रियल लाइफ डायरेक्ट सोल्यूशन देने वाला होना चाहिए. तो यही मेरा जो है वो मेरा माइंडसेट है. तो थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. With this, we would like to wrap up with this interactive session. But we have one more, the last one. After that, we would wrap up this interactive session.
Respected dignitaries, organizers, and all the interested youth of the Northeast region. I am Jenny Grace Folingdo from Meghalaya. For me personally, Viksit Bharat is more than just a government project. It's the future, it's my future and the future of every Indian citizen. When I see a prosperous India by 2047.
Seen and respected, and for me, the Viksit Bharat is where a small village shines because of the opportunities, and all the youths, they can go towards progress, growth, and rise. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. With this, we wrap up with the interactive session. And I would like to say the young leaders of our Northeast, they had such an overwhelming and such great inspiring responses. I'm so happy and proud to hear that from you all. And I would like to thank each one of you for delivering your insights on Viksit Bharat in a single word. Give a huge round of applause to each one of you present here. And with this, our final panelists are with us. And with that, we have to move forward to the next agenda of the program, which is the panel discussion. I would like to request Ms. Pallavi Singh to take over the stage.
Esteemed panelists, I would request you to please join us on the stage.
So now the panelists are here on the stage. I would like to welcome to all our panelists and our moderator for session number 1, Ms. Pallavi Singh, on the stage. With this, we would like to felicitate our honorable panelists for today. I would like to welcome Shri Dinobandhu sir for felicitation of the panelists. I would like to request a volunteer to please assist him. We have the panelist number 1, Nabha Bhattacharya ji, former Commissioner of National Green Tribunal. Give a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Now we have panelist number 2, Shri Wanshan Kharkhangji, Joint Secretary of Government of Meghalaya, Forest and Environment. Please, Talia, continue कीजिए. Thank you so much, sir. Now, panelist number 3, we have Shri Albert Changsa, OST, Center of Meghalaya Green Environment. Thank you so much, sir. Panelist number 4, we have Shri Akhilesh Singh, sir, Deputy CEO of Earth Tree Environment. Thank you so much, sir. With this, we would move towards our panel discussion number 1.